Subtracting mixed number with similar fraction. So, 8 minus 2, pwede. But 2 minus 3, hindi siya pwede. So, ang gagawin natin, ang 8, bawasan natin ng isa. So, 8 minus 1 is 7. Then add 4 plus 2 is 6 over 4. Minus, kopyahin lang ito, 2 and 3 over 4. Then, subtract. 7 minus 2 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3 over 4. So, the answer is 5 and 3/4. So, next. 10 minus 5, pwede. But 3 minus 5 ay hindi pwede. So, gawin ulit natin. So, 10 minus 1 is 9. So, 8 plus 3 is 11 over 8. Minus 5 and 5, 8. So, 9 minus 5 is 4. And 11 minus 5 is 6 over 8. We reduce lowest term by 2. So, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then copy the whole number 4. So, the answer is 4 and 3/4. Subukan nyo naman ito.